So today we're going to have a quick cover of the duck walks. So there's two real sort of types of duck walks. There's two that I really like. One's a strict feet under the hips duck walk, and one's where you can open your hips out to the side. So both are really, really good to do. I would do one after the other in your warm-up. Let's just, duck walks are really good for opening the hip, getting the ankles moving, getting the knees warmed up. It's just basically a really good lower body warm-up exercise. And if you do them for any sort of real distance, they're a bit of a conditioning exercise as well. So let's first start with the hips to the side, the nice open version, just to sort of get everything moving, and then we'll narrow it down and get stricter with the strict version. So the nice open version is start down where you can be on your tiptoes or you can be flat, whichever you prefer, but that is it. So the knee kind of goes in a semicircle down and out, down and out, and you let the twist happen in the hips. And then obviously you can go backwards, things like that. You can mess about with playing with it. The only thing I say to be aware of is if too much rotation happens. You don't want to rotate too much. You want to keep it under control the whole time. The next version is a nice strict version. So we start back here again. This one, the key is to keep the feet underneath the hips the whole time. And you want your head to stay at this height. So you don't want to be dragging out to the side. You want to keep your head nice and level and the hips nice and square. This is all about really getting those quads, calves, everything else to sort of fire up and get them working. So we'll do that one once more. So start from back here. Wait. Notice the way my head doesn't change direction or level. So that's the two types of duck walks. They're both really, really good to do. They both warm everything up. Even my quads from that little strict one are already lit. They're already turned on. So give them a go. Next time you're warming up, even if it's a back garden session, they're great to get the whole lower body fired together.